Hey guys, this is just one guy, and I'm back here with my game Superhuman. And today I wanted to go over how weapons and armor work in the game. So we're just gonna go in the game right now, and we're gonna load up one of the games I had saved. Go into the character menu, and right here you can see which weapon the character is equipped with, and you can see which armor the character is equipped with. So right now, if I go right here, I can change the type of weapon the character has. There are 4 types of weapons in the game currently: assault rifles, shotguns, sniper rifles, and handguns. Each one has its own merits. So let's go over the stats right now. You have damage, which controls how much damage the weapon can do. You can have ammo, which controls how much ammo the weapon has. Range, how far the weapon can shoot. And aim, how good the character will be with aiming with this weapon. Now the character has its own aim stat, and it's combined with the weapon aim stat to create a final aim stat. So you can see if they have the sniper rifle, it'll be 80% added onto their natural aim. And each weapon has its different merits. The shotgun has more ammo and does more damage. The assault rifle does less damage. It has even more ammo. The shotgun has a short range, so you can see it only can shoot 7 squares, while the assault rifle can shoot 15 squares. The sniper rifle can shoot the longest, which is 25 squares. And the handgun has the most ammo. So we're just going to exit that right here. And now go over armor. Currently, armor has 4 stats: health, armor, shields, and dodge. Each one of them works completely differently. Health adds more health to your health bar. Armor subtracts the damage you would take from your health. So if an attack was 10 and your armor stat was 4, you would only take 6 damage. Shields completely block an attack. So right now, if I were to go to stable shield generator, right now the 3 attacks that hit the character will be completely blocked. Dodge controls your chance of actually dodging an attack. So let me see which one of these. There we go. Gives you a 20% dodge, and then we have a description of whatever item or weapon is, whatever armor this is. So this will give you a 20% chance to dodge, and that's basically how our armor works in the game currently. Each character can only have 1 armor and 1 weapon, and that's basically how weapons and armor work. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.